The Motorized Truck Float from Trail Float Jet Store is marketed as a motorized inflatable that lets you cruise across pools, lakes, and other calm waterways in a novelty truck-shaped float. The ads make it look fast, powerful, and incredibly fun. But the real question is, should you buy from Trail Float Jet Store? Now, to be fair, motorized inflatable floats are a legitimate product category and can provide a unique recreational experience when used on calm water. What it does well: fun and unique design. The truck-shaped float stands out and offers a different experience from a standard inflatable. Portable construction. Because it's inflatable, it's easier to transport and store than a traditional boat or personal watercraft. Where the height falls apart, it's not a real boat or jet ski. Performance is far more limited than the promotional videos may suggest. Battery life is limited. Runtime depends on factors like rider weight, speed, and water conditions. Inflatables require proper care. Sharp objects, rough surfaces, and improper storage can damage the material. So, should you buy the Motorized Truck Float? Short answer: maybe, if you know exactly what you're getting. If you're looking for a fun novelty float for relaxing rides on calm water, it may be worth considering. But if you're expecting high performance or buying solely because of the ads, you'll likely be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.